Hello, boys and girls. Today's lesson is about helping the world, kind act at a time. So I'm going to think one kind act at a time. Our learning intention is we will be able to explore different ways we can help the community and the world. How can people help the community? Kindness is acting friendly, generous, and considerate. A responsibility is something you should do because it is the right thing to do. We all have the responsibility as citizens to help the community. Responsibilities may be to act safely, follow the rules and laws, respect others, treat others fairly, help others solve problems, and give to others in need. Today we're going to watch a video called Color Your World with Kindness. I want you to pay attention to this video, and I want you to see how each act of kindness made each person feel differently. And we start off with the picture in black and white. And notice every time something kind happens, the colors begin to change. So first the boy shared his apple, then that girl felt so good. She saw a man drop money and was so happy to help him, just like the way the boy helped her. Then that man helped someone. And the video shows us how happy we can make people with small acts of kindness. The girl never had to pick up the money and give it back to the man, but she knew it would be important to him. That man never had to pick up the suitcase for the older woman, but he knew that it would make her happy. And that's why when we help people, it makes the whole community better. It is our responsibility, even though it's not something we have to do. So for today's assignment, I want you to draw and label a picture of a way you can be kind to someone in your community. It could be someone you know, it could be a stranger. How can you help people around you? Then write a sentence or two about the picture. How were you kind? How does that make you feel? How does that make the other person feel? Watch the video again. I'll put the link in the assignment. And think about how each person made someone else feel good and made themselves feel good. And think of ways you can help someone so you can draw and write about it.